Hello guys, welcome to my channel Asli Tech. Today I am going to review Huawei Tag L21. It's very old model, but I am reviewing it today. It's very good phone. It was released in 2015 and now it is 2019. First of all, I am going to review its dimensions. As you people can see, there are many scratches. I will remove its cover. Now it's look clear. Single SIM card, SD micro SD supported, and here you can see charging port, micro USB 2.0 version. It's very good smartphone, released in 2015. Very good. I will now tell you its specifications. We'll go to setting. It's very good smartphone, released in 2015, and yeah, it's very good. First of all, check its camera, and people can see it have also beauty option, time lapse, and I will see your picture. I scratch. Very good quality. It's not full HD, but it's very good. It's also good in daylight. Although it is very good smartphone, I will go in setting. You can see its notification panel. Very good. And battery is now 14%. It's very low at that time. I will recharge. I was playing game. I will see you specification. As you can see, it's Huawei Tag L21 and it's running Android 5.1. There is that Lollipop. Its new update has just arrived. And it is 16 GB memory, 720 resolution, and 2 GB RAM. It has no fingerprint, no face lock. It's very old model, but working very fast. I will do speed test now. That is backup. You can see it has the Huawei logo on the bottom. Calendar, weather, and that Screen Master, Facebook, Play Store, clock, play music, New York Times, it's healthcare, agree. It have also screen lock option, downloads, and that is recorder option, sound recording. It has also FM radio, notepad, BPS office, and all other things. I have installed it. This support. It's very Android device, very good running. And I will review its battery test. If you people want its battery test, then please comment. Look here, its setting, it's a notification value, slide to give to shortcuts, and it's very smartphone. Now I will review the app opening test. It's quite good, no delay. I kept my phone very fast that I was keeping and reopening Facebook. That Queen Master weather app, it's very 18%. Weather is good. Calendar today's 12. Backup and camera again. So this is for today video, and the battery is very good. So far we have lost almost 0.5 percentage, and there is it gives me 1 day battery timing. Almost good device. And if you people have any question about it, then you people can ask. I will bring review of Samsung, iPhone, Huawei, anyone you want. And next I'm going to review Samsung Galaxy 8. So if you want to review this, I will also do it. And thank you for this video.